Hello folks, this is Johnny again, and today let's make a very basic ambient clean tone. As always, let's start off with the amp. Let's go for a classic. Here, the dark phase, and let's put in the magic cap, yeah. Okay, let's put on the bright channel. Let's switch to the 57 mic, and let's just keep it right there. And let's fiddle around with the knobs a little bit. Okay, right away I kind of want to put in compression. Let's get this one in there, let's get this down, let's get this down, and then let's raise this one. Okay, something around those lines. And EQ, let's get this in there. Let's go in the cab. Let's turn off the respire. We don't need that the kind of low end response here with a clean tone. And then very essential is some modulation. Let's go with the ensemble down here. Just a chorus effect. Yeah, chorus also tends to smooth things out on the top end. I quite like that. Okay, and now delay and reverb. Delay. Let's just get the digital delay in here again. Let's put this to the dotted 4, and let's put the spread in there at 1/8, and a bit more decay, a bit more feedback and whatnot, a bit more filtering. Oh, come on. Not those lines. Okay, and now some reverb. Where is the reverb? There, let's go with the hall warp. This one actually gives us a really nice ambient kind of reverb. So let's put the size to 100%. Let's go for about 4 seconds. Let's raise the mix a little bit, and we're pretty much there. Okay, I can already tell you in the mix it's going to be too quiet, so let's raise this already a little bit, and let's listen to the whole thing. Yeah, that kind of works. I mean, it's not really the kind of modern, sparkly, ambient kind of clean tone, but I think this is actually pretty cool style with a bit more of a edgy mid-range that makes that tone a little bit more haunting. And if that's what you like, then that's what you can go for here. Let me know in the comments what kind of clean tones you want me to try out. But I have to be completely honest, I am not as good with clean tones as with other stuff. Simply because I don't invest as much time into it. In any case, I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.